Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tiny House and Off-Grid Resources, where I've been spending 10 days in the stovery. I'm not very good at before and after videos and showing the whole process, but something's just happened that I want to share with you. This little fireplace here, I filled up with a good load of wood at 10 AM this morning to try it out. And it's now 6 o'clock in the evening. It's just starting to get dark, although in the video you can't really see because it compensates for the light. But that's 8 hours, which is effectively burning through the night. Yeah, okay, I put a large amount of wood in, there was some big chunks of wood in there, and it has now burned right down to absolute embers. There's not too much left. But it's still 8 hours through the night and dead easy to get something going again from those embers. It's still belting out the heat. So this is the new Raven, the stove that I first made about 3 weeks ago. This is the third one I've made. This one has got a much larger cook plate. I might keep doing that because on this you can have a stir fry going on the front, and you could keep two other things warm or maybe even simmering up in these back corners. You'll get two 6-inch pots, one on either side, and a 12 or a 14-inch frying pan down the front. So I think this is a win. It's a bit spesh inside. There's a lot more to it than the other stoves that I've been building for many years. This has got a secondary burn chamber underneath, that's this part here, underneath the cooking plate, and a fully adjustable damper, which means you can control the amount of heat that goes directly up the chimney or comes across the cooking plate. So it's perfect for somebody who's living and depending on a stove. They don't just need it for heating in a cabin 1 or 2 nights a week while they do handcrafts or whatever. This is the perfect stove, in my opinion, for somebody who's living in a mid-sized bus or a house truck and is depending on it for cooking and heating. If you like keeping up with what I do with my stoves, hit the subscribe button below, and while you're down there you could smash that like button as well.